what's up? I forgot to. All my data for my videos corrupted. So this is just some fun with my family and friends. So yeah.
It's weird.
It's a very, very high air compress.
Okay, this is what I like doing. This is what
Look,
I like
it just
doing.
flies right up. You missed it completely. Ready? We're gonna grab this.
Okay, wait.
We're gonna put it in there. Now look, it's
Fletcher?
stuck.
You know better than jumping in there.
Oh my gosh. It's legit stuck. It's just stuck. Like, this is just stuck. Look at it.
Logan, be a savage boy and put everything on it.
Oh my gosh. I will. Savage. Wait. Fletcher. That was cool.
Wait a second.
You're just gonna dump the whole thing in? Wait, what is this? This is the Batman symbol. Whee!
No.
Oh my gosh.
Use your sense.
Whoa. It's stuck. They're all stuck.
Okay,
Put this one in.
watch this.
Get in there.
Here. Get wrecked.
Oh, there's so much. It's stuck. Yeah, get up there. Oh, it's flying out. It's all flying out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What is happening? It's just, Logan is laughing like crazy. What are you doing? Oh, you're just laughing like crazy. Hey, this just felt, you, get in there.
You get out.
Oh, 2 cups launched. There were just 2 cups. Fletcher, I have an idea. Empty all the water out and put it in there. Just empty, no, you gotta empty all the water out. Let's go.
Hey, we need to go into the bathroom.
Yeah, where is the, oh, it's right there. What? Okay. Now,
There was brown stuff in here. Come back here.
we're just emptying.
this.
Yeah, we just had to empty it. So now we're gonna put it in the air compressor.
See what happens.
Yeah.
Watch your head.
Nothing.
Works. Watch your head out there.
It's literally. Wait.
It's dancing.
It's dancing. Look at those moves. Look at those. Aww.
Wait. Watch
Look
me,
at those
black.
moves. Look at those moves. Ah.
Okay, do it.
The curriculum of science. We're not
Oh, yeah.
My goodness, Fletcher.
Look at it.
Give me that.
Wait.
There's no way you can do that.
That's alright.
Well, you know.
How about we just do some weird stuff?
All right, that's it. Maybe we'll do some
no,
more.
no, we're
doing some more. My name is Lucas, and this is the bottle flipping part of the video. It's gonna be really quick because we have to go soon. So we're at the
make a video daily.
yeah, we have to make it one daily. So let's just get right into it really quickly. Fletcher, go first. Just bottle flip one.
Okay, basic.
Yeah, basic.
Dang it.
Okay, you get 2 tries because 1, 2.
3. Okay, that counts. You have to make that. You have to make it stay like that because that's kind of a land.
No.
That's gonna work.
Oh, I did it. Okay, what are you gonna do? Oh yeah.
I'll be a good cameraman this time.
Okay. I am going this.
I'm zooming in.
You are?
No.
Last one. No. Okay. Did you put water in this?
Yes.
Okay, give me 2.
Fine.
That's not doing anything.
Okay, I'm gonna do something hard.
A 5-knuckle shuffle? Yeah, we're savages. We don't care. Oh yeah, I am a savage because of the part I did. Yeah.
I wanted to do it, but this idiot, he won't let me.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
It's because I lost the ball, so I had to do it.
Yeah. And that cost me free. Oh, no. Flipping $50.
Yeah.
Just to tell you, we're not allowed to swear, but sometimes.
Yeah. Sometimes we forget. So yeah.
Oh, wait.
Gotta go confession now.
I'm not gonna tell them that. I'm not gonna tell creeps. Okay, wait. Dang it. Okay, how about we don't do anything with the ball except for this?
No.
Oh, first try.
Okay, hold this. And
You have to
don't
do
zoom in.
Okay, fine. Okay, so what do I have to do? I just have to do this? No, you have to bounce it and make it land right there.
Okay. I have an idea.
No.
Tell where to land it.
Don't do that.
Why?
You can no. Okay.
Just do that.
No. He's awful.
4,
5.
Okay, give me that. I told you not to zoom in.
Okay.
I told you Fletcher's a bad cameraman. I'm probably gonna edit out the zoom in part. Dude. What was that? Oh my gosh, I thought you were gonna kill me. No, you won't. If you do that, I'm gonna drop this and you're never gonna be on YouTube. I'm gonna be in the hospital.
2. What the heck was that? Wait a second. 4. Oh, you have to cap it.
That's not like how I did it.
It's barely even a cap.
So you just did, dude. You just did that.
No.
That was first try.
Nope.
Fail.
Did you just rub that on the penis?
I tried to do this.
Okay, let's just get on with the video.
Huh?
Okay.
Okay. End the video.
Let's do, no. Okay, let's just go on. Okay, now it's your turn to make one. No.
Yeah.
No, you have to go like this. If we're going to do that, we have to go like this. Put it on our shoe. Go like right here.
Okay.
And make our foot go under it. I don't know. Okay, no, let's not do that. It's too hard.
Okay.
It's way too hard.
You ready?
Okay, wait. Flip it into the box.
Into
this.
what box?
Flip into this.
Oh. What the heck? You did not do that. It's my turn.
Fine. Okay. Sorry, people. We're very frustrated today.
Ready? I'm gonna do
Oh, you
this.
might see us again during April vacation for a while.
That was horrible.
How about I just do it?
Okay. Actually, no, because that's gonna be the end of this video, guys. I will see you all later. Goodbye.